Hi everybody, today we are going to finish a quilt in 3 hours. And you can hear the laughing. It just so happens to be the holidays, but you can do this anytime. And we are going to make a quilt that is going to end up being approximately 61 by 72 inches. Let's get started. Sherry's dad happens to be a big University of Kentucky fan, and Sherry is too. But we're not going to start talking about that because I like U of L. Anyway,
I digress.
there is this fabric, and it is actually a panel, but it looks like blocks of Kentucky fabric.
It looks awesome.
And we have strips that also are going to coordinate with this panel or these blocks. We're going to do something special. So we've got the white and the stripe and the light blue, just different variations that are going to look really good with this panel. We are going to cut the blocks down this line on each row. So our rows are going to be vertical. In between the two rows, we are going to add those jelly roll strips. Now, she bought 2 yards, which makes it 72 inches, but we need length as well as width. So here's the plan. This is the design wall, also known as the floor. This is the idea. So here we've got our first strip with a 2.5 inch strip on either side, and we'll cut strips vertically and do the same thing across this way. And what I did was I cut, there were 10 strips, so 5 of the strips will be here, 5 of the strips will be down here, and in order to get our width but not make it too wide, we'll scooch this bottom over to kind of overlap with the top.
Is scooch a word?
Scooch is a word. And then we'll have on this side where there's open space, we'll have jelly roll strips. And then on that side where there's open space, there will be jelly roll strips. So that's the plan. Let's see how it goes. And here is the quilt with everything but the border. Can you see it? Here are some projects that my other friends have been working on. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Eat some chocolate. Be kind to everyone, especially yourself.